Hi, I'm Calvin, your coach for the Ear to Ear Magic running crew. Chris and I are training for the Dopey Challenge in January. This is a recovery week, so our long run this week is 3 miles. We've been training for about 9 weeks now. You should be getting a feeling for how your run-walk ratio is working for you and seeing some improvements in your overall conditioning. But you might be feeling a little bored on your short runs, doing the same thing week after week. It's okay to play with your intervals. Trying to get a little faster or build up your endurance is a great way to create some adventure in your short runs. Here's how I change up my short runs with a few different intervals that help me improve my speed and keep me mentally engaged. For my Tuesday run, I run for 5 minutes and then I walk for 2 minutes. This is about endurance, so I am not sprinting here. Then on Thursday, I split my run into 3 sections to work on both endurance and speed. For the first section, I do 3 intervals with a 2.5 minute run and a 30-second walk. I use these intervals to push for a faster pace. For the second section, I do 3 intervals with a 4-minute run and a 30-second walk. For these run intervals, I try to match the endurance pace that I set on Tuesday. For the last section, I walk a brisk 16-minute mile back to where I started. Use these short runs to focus on specific trouble spots. I'm a slower walker, so it takes me longer to walk a course compared to some of our faster or taller athletes. These longer walk intervals let me focus on turning my feet over just a little faster than in my previous walks. Proving to yourself that you can run at these different intervals is important for both your physical and mental preparation. Some weeks will be slower, and that's okay. We're building good habits and preparing for our January race adventure. Thanks for joining us this week. I'll be back next week with more helpful training tips, and until then, I'll see you on the course.